Happy Friday, Barrel Traders. Robert H here. Please watch this video to the end. Got a little surprise for you. Adventure Dog LA, William H. He mentioned me in his recap, so I thought I'd pay back the favor. So CVS is my only two trades for the day. CVS, really clean price action. It sold off at the open. I caught it on the 2-minute opening range breakdown. What I look for nice small candles, and I look for a loss of any levels, pre-market levels. So this is a flat bottom, and as you can see, this candle is only 25 cents, which allows me to put my stop really tight up here, short it as soon as it breaks the body. And look at this entry on the 5-minute chart, right? This is the type of candle where you cannot get a 5-minute orb because it's just so much movement has already happened. It's almost $2, right? When you get it on the 2-minute orb, you catch, there's still a lot of the move left. So I caught $1.50 or something like that. First partial at this level I had, I think that was a pre-market low, and another partial at this level, which I think came from the daily chart, this area. And then finally, I double tapped by accident and it was all out. I was like, oh man, I should have held some shares. But you know, I got out at the low of the day, which is pretty hilarious. And then it reversed. So Paul S., my brother from another broker from the chat room, he caught it through this VWAP punch through. Beautiful move, probably caught over $1 himself up to the high of the day. I think he was all out here. That's when I took over again. I saw this nice little flag formation. So strong, right? When you see something, when you see a wick this massive, look at the size of this wick on the 30-minute, 15-minute chart. This is huge. This is signs of a takeover that the bulls are now in control, and anybody who's short is now going to have to cover, basically, right? So pull back here, and then I took it long right there. I was hoping to get to this moving average, which we did, and then there was a 200 moving average up here. I had a limit order for 65.30. It got to 65.30, then I got skipped. I think only a few orders filled on time and sales here. I got skipped, and then I got the rest out here. Then it gave a nice reversal. I think some others in the room took that. Jason, some other folks. Anyways, that's my recap. Sorry, it's a little bit quick, but please watch to the end, and I hope you guys have a good weekend.
Robert H.
Take care, all.
The great Robert H.
Robert
The
H.
great
The great
Robert
Robert
H.
H.
The
The
great
great
The great